Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by positioning yourself 20 to 30 minutes before sunset so you can track the changing light. This gives you composition options as colors deepen. Once in place, open your camera, turn on the grid, and lock exposure and autofocus to prevent mid-frame shifts. Make sure HDR or RAW is enabled if available for more latitude. Then stabilize the phone on a tripod or steady surface, and use a timer or remote shutter to eliminate handshake. This preserves fine detail in low light. Now refine composition. Place the horizon on the lower or upper third and add a foreground element to create depth, like silhouettes or reflections. Next, meter deliberately. Tap to meter for highlights if you want color in the sky, or meter shadows for silhouette drama. Then use the exposure slider to protect bright areas. Switch lenses between wide and tele to vary perspective, lower ISO, and lengthen shutter when steady. And bracket exposures so you have multiple options in post. To finish, keep shooting through golden and into blue hour because colors continue to change and often peak after the sun sets. Take a series of frames. In editing, adjust exposure, contrast, and white balance, then refine selective highlights and shadows to restore sky detail. If you encounter blown highlights or motion blur, re-meter and reduce exposure, stabilize the phone with a tripod, or load RAW files to recover detail. These fixes usually rescue an otherwise lost.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.